Well, all right, folk. So I'm chilling. Right in the background, this is Ricky over here. He's working on the Garrison right now. I'm going to flip you around real quick. And we're in here, have replaced the fuel pump, and we've noticed that I do need another sending unit, so that's going to have to be handled. Um, Flip it back around. And also, so far, we have changed the fuel filter. And basically what ended up happening was I wanted to eliminate a lot of the stuff that it could possibly be. So we got fuel filter, that's done. Fuel pump, that's done. I am going to need a new sending unit. What else? I got a throttle body position sensor, and I got a coil, and I got an oil sending unit. So got all this, got it good for 122 bucks. We're gonna get all that in, and basically I am trying my best to eliminate everything that we think it could possibly be. And if that's not working, then most likely I would have to say it's the computer, which means they do not make the computers anymore, and I'm just gonna have to search around until I find a computer, which would be mean parking her until I find one and go back to the Dodge for a bit, if that's the case. But anyways, working on her. We'll get back to you, let you know what's going on. Later, folks. Well, all right, folks. Pardon it's a little dark. Got the light on, but anyways, we took the Garrison for a ride. We ended up getting the fuel pump done. We got the fuel filter done. We got the coil done. We didn't have the tools to do the what the heck is it? The one of the sensors. We didn't have the tool that needed the star thing. We didn't have those. Let's see, a throttle body position sensor, I believe. We didn't get that one done. We did do the oil sending unit, and I don't know what the heck happened, but we took off, and I had like no oil pressure. She was knocking so bad. And I just wanted to hurry up and get around so we could get back. And I prayed that we didn't blow the engine. No oil pressure. And it's also messed up because I'm used to my Dodge and the high pressure's up here, low pressure's down here. The Chevy, it's low, high. So I'm looking like this. I'm like, oh my goodness, it's never been this high before. And then I realized, oh my goodness, it's low pressure. So anyways, we got back and she was all right. I put the old Ricky put the old oil sending unit back in, and I still don't like how low the oil pressure goes when I'm idling. It goes really low. It never used to go past that half point mark, and now it's doing that. But when I take off and everything, she has beautiful oil pressure. Thinking possibly a weak oil pump, so we'll check that out. Also, she did good. Like I said, we took her for a ride. Took her for about the same distance, maybe a little bit more than when she was having trouble before. She had absolutely no problems at all. She didn't stall. She didn't bog down. She didn't stutter at all. She ran quite well, actually. However, then we pulled off to a store, and I don't know. I guess maybe lucky we did this. So we were about to leave, and all of a sudden I realized, holy cow, the brake light on my dashboard stayed on. And I had no brakes. So I did like this little circle, this little loop, and I was like, we're parking right here. We got out. We saw there was nothing leaking or anything like that. I opened on the master cylinder, opened everything up, and, plenty of fluid and whatnot. Was able to build up pressure again. I just shook the brake pedal and was able to get pressure building up again. I said, well, let's go. I'm just not gonna. I won't follow too close, and I'll go slow. Give myself plenty of time to stop. She built that pressure, and after a while, she was stopping relatively fine. Still going down a little bit too close to the floor for my liking. So we're gonna probably check that out tomorrow and get that fixed. And from that point on, all I can say is so far from what I've seen, from the way she's running, it seems better. It seems better. It seems like it's working. So what I'm hoping to, I don't feel confident going on to I wanted to go on the highway. That was the plan, was to go down this way. We were going to do a big old loop, and I was going to floor it down on the highway to see how she did. But then that brake incident happened. And I said, "There's no way I'm taking her on the highway and going fast until we figure out what the heck is up with these brakes." So hopefully figure that out tomorrow. And God willing, I hope, Ricky, if you watch this, I hope you can get these freaking windows down. My windows don't go down. Apparently, they had gotten a new wiring harness for this thing, and since then, none of the door locks work. None of the windows work electric to come up and down. The only thing that does work is on the back doors. I could do the door lock on that, and it'll lock all the doors. And so that's the only thing that works electrically when it comes to that stuff. So hopefully we can figure out the windows, because it is hot driving this thing with no windows down, and I don't have AC. But anyway, so I figured I'd let you know what's going on. I'll be honest, my opinion right now is it's looking pretty good. I should have just stuck with Ricky instead of going to the shop. I just panicked. I promised my son that I'd be there. I promised him we'd watch this movie, and that's all that was going on in my head. And I figured, nope, I don't want anybody's help. I'm taking it to the shop. And in my opinion, the shop screwed me. You know, what are you going to do? And now I got my buddy looking at it, and hopefully everything was good. But I'm going to let you go with that for now, and then I'll probably hit you up tomorrow and let you know what's going on. And then if we're cruising off to Ohio, I will definitely let you know. But till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.